Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we are going to see how to edit multi-text color on your Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit multi-text color in Canva. So I just going to show here. So this is my name. I just going to make it as first of all. This is my channel name. So I just going to make a multicolor text how it's look like. So enlarge it, place it on center. Now first I just going to choose for a text in TE. I just going to choose, just select this, change the color to blue, then just select this, change color to green, and select this M. It should be like blue, and this will be red, and this will be violet, and this will be yellow, and here the unique will be like this blue, and this will be on a sky blue. So now you can see how you just create a multicolor. You just need to select the letter. You can also create by selecting letter by letter and changing the color like this. You can create a multicolor text on your Canva easily. I think this video is simple and easy. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.